Hello Joyce, hello, how are you today?
All right, thank you.
At this home in Cheltenham, the GP's only arrived for a checkup. The vaccine has already done its rounds. And not just here, but now at almost every home in England.
Virtually all elderly care home residents have now been given their first jab or a slot for their first jab, and that's very important for getting the spread of the virus down, getting the serious illness and the fatality down.
Would you like a cup of tea?
The virus has already emptied too many chairs. But at this home in Newcastle, it's because residents are once again isolating in their rooms. 3/4 have COVID, as well as half of all staff.
You know, we've kept COVID out of the building for so long, and then for this to happen and for it to completely rip through the home, it's devastating. But I've got an amazing team, and we are just sort of like pulling together and rallying together.
Nobody can be sure if the virus arrived before or after the vaccine, but many don't have symptoms, very few are seriously sick. Now care homes want the second dose to be doubly safe.
If we really need to know how long it's going to be, so at least we've got a date to work towards.
So you just need the second dose now to provide
Absolutely.
maximum immunity?
Absolutely, and the sooner we can get that, I think the sooner everybody will feel a lot more comforted from that.
Aside from the second dose, many in the sector still haven't had their first. Not all staff have been vaccinated, neither have residents under 65. But given that care homes have been locked down for almost a year now, vaccinations inevitably raise the question of when they can open back up.
Hello, Mum.
The window for visiting has closed for Leslie and her mum since we last filmed in November. She's been given no sign yet of vaccines reopening it. What do you miss most about your mum?
Just being able to look after her and to hold her really beautiful manicured hands. I've never left her side. I've never left her side. And I cannot bear this separation really a moment longer.
They are moments few can spare. How many more farewells will there be before it's the pandemic they're waving goodbye to? Paul Brand, ITV News, Newcastle.